Hello everybody, so today we're going to look at solving some equations that involve brackets. So we're going to be bringing in some of the algebra skills we already practiced the other week into dealing with our equations. So when you see an equation like this, you know it's got an equal sign there, so we know we can solve it out and find what x is actually equal to. We see the brackets there first of all, and these should look kind of familiar individually. So all we're going to do is try and solve them out first. Again, using the method where we multiply the term outside by the first term and then the second term, and over here do the same thing. So we multiply the left bracket out, we get 2x. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. On the right hand side, 3 times 2 is 6. The x stays the same. And 3 times 4 is 12. Now we've got an equation that looks very similar to some of the other ones we've done. What we're going to do is take away minus 6x from both sides. So 2x minus 6x minus 4 is equal to 6x minus 6x plus 12. Now, the reason why we did this is so that the 6x, take away 6x, will cancel on the right hand side. So that leaves us just with 12. On the right hand side, the left hand side, 2x minus 6x will give us minus 4x. Then the minus 4 stays the same. At this point now we want to get rid of the minus 4 from the left hand side, so we'll have only x's there. So to get rid of a minus 4, you have to add a 4. So we get minus 4x minus 4, we'll add on our 4 here, is equal to 12. Then we have to add on a 4 on the right hand side. Now on the left hand side, minus 4 plus 4 will cancel. So we'll just be left with minus 4x. And on the right hand side, 12 plus 4 will give us 16. The final step involved in solving this, we're going to divide both sides by minus 4 to get rid of the minus 4 in front of the x. So on the left hand side, minus 4 divided by minus 4 cancels out to just give us a plus 1. Then x stays the same. On the right hand side, 16 divided by minus 4 will give us plus divided by a minus is a minus, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So your answer there is minus 4. So we'll look at a second slightly harder example now. In this one we've got a few more terms over on the right hand side, but again the steps are the same. We just multiply the brackets first. Again, starting with the term outside, multiplying by the first and then second term inside. So 2 times 2 over here is 4, 2 times minus y is minus 2y. On the right hand side, y plus 3 stay the same, they can't be simplified anymore yet. Minus 8 times y gives us minus 8y, and minus 8 times minus 2 gives us plus 16. Now, before we start trying to move all our y terms over to the left and our regular terms over to the right, it might be a good idea to simplify them a little bit first to make life easier. So on the right hand side we have some y terms and some regular terms already that we can actually add together and simplify. So keep the left hand side the same for now. Y take away 8y will give us minus 7y. 3 plus 16 will give us 19. Now we can use our normal tricks. So we're going to start by trying to get rid of the minus 7y from the right hand side. To do that we're going to add plus 7y. So again, the point of this, minus 7y plus 7y will cancel. So we also then on the left hand side can simplify things as well. We have two y terms over there, so minus 2y plus 7y will give us plus 5y. On the right hand side, we're just left with 19 then. So now we're going to get rid of the 4 from the left hand side. So to do that, we're going to subtract 4 and keep our 5y. And if we subtract 4 from the left hand side, we have to subtract it from the right hand side as well. So 4 minus 4 on the left hand side cancels out to give you 0. 5y will stay the same. And 19 minus 4 will give you 15. So to finally solve this out now, our final value for y, what we're going to do is divide both sides by 5. So 5y divided by 5, 2 5's will cancel out, be left just with y. And then 15 divided by 5 on the right hand side will give us 3 times. So that's your final answer there for that slightly harder one.